First person, the second is Deputy Honorable Dominion. They will.
Okay, well, thank you very much, Honorable Governor and Deputy Ikemba State of Biafra, United States of Biafra, Ekenemu, Ikemba. Thank you very much, everyone, today in attendance. I see today a lot of honorable people from the cabinet are here as well. And I see honorable members of the media people, somebody like I is also here present, presenting independent media of the USBP. And many other people who are here. Your commander is here, Honorable Kwese is here. I salute you, my comrade. Many other people. Today, our Secretary of Defense, happens to be heavily engaged, and he assigned me to come here and represent you. I will be here for a brief moment because a lot of things are happening, some of which you don't know, some you do. But because of the importance attached to the Ikemba state by USB and our DPM, you are special to Biafra and Biafrans. You are specially positioned because of what you do and because of the historical background attached to Ikemba state. As you prepare to the special wedding that someone addressed, I think the governor addressed that, the special wedding that is coming soon, which we all know, the one that we will welcome and the one that we will not welcome. I believe everyone understands what I meant by that. So I recognize your efforts, what you do that the public know and some of which public don't know yet. General Chikwese, you and your men, I appreciate your efforts in the state of Ikemba and in general USB. We recognize you particularly. You have been in this effort for a very long time. You are a veteran, and we believe you will not disappoint. You know all the nooks and crannies of this great Ikemba state better than most of the people who are in this fundraising and those who are yet to come. Because of that, you are specially positioned to carry out this important assignment. We are here to try to raise money with which to continue to protect our land, with which we continue to protect our people. That is why we are here. There is really nothing much more other than the fact that we know what happened last year on November 29th in Finland, Latin, where our DPM, Dr. Ngozi Arabeze, took the bull by the horn and surprised the world. He dared the entire world when she declared our nation, something that a lot of people thought that by removing our prime minister, all hope was lost. But she said no. In fact, what they did was to rekindle our hope and give us more hope. And because of that, we are here. We are here to continue that journey. We are here to continue to assure our people present and generations to come that the history of Biafra will not be written completely without the gathering of today in Ikemba. So while you are in this gathering today, count yourself lucky. You are blessed specially because your name will be written in the golden book of this great state of Ikemba. So I thank you for the decision to join. I understand that many people are still en route. That's why I'm looking at here, it looks like it's only maybe 20 people, am I right, are still here. I should be seeing at least 1,000 people in this gathering, but that will not make us to lose hope. It is my special belief that many more people are still on the way coming, and we welcome all. So the great governor of Ikemba, I know your efforts to steer the grassroots into action. I know that before now you have made your announcement, and I know that the message was sent out appropriately. And I know they are still getting ready to join this effort. That is what I know for sure. It's going to rain. The poll starting doesn't mean that people will not show up. People will come. So on behalf of Biafra Defense, Honorable Solomon Nkwocha, I am here today to witness, though I will not be here for long, but I'm going to kickstart your fundraising. Though it is not what we often do because we are only here in the defense coordinating. We are not expected to go to all the 40 states of Biafra and be donating money because we don't have bags of money. But we coordinate the effort of our people to ensure that the resources raised is directed to the right workers. That is to defend our land and our people. So defense is going to kickstart your fundraising with 150 AJ. Thank you very much, all. This is Onye here in your midst. Also, before I close, I will not fail to mention somebody, Miss Ngozi Dorothy, who happens to come from this state. I see that she is here. Special regards to you and many others. Thank you once again. This is Onye. Thank you.
Thank
Thank you, Onye.
Mana akwụkwọ na-aka ebe a.
You are here. I didn't know.
I
don't know, but I get down. I know the road. Yeah, nna agba ọga ka mara ma ebe a ka ọ nọ ka ọ dị other side ka ọ nọ. Okay, I think he's in the other fundraising. I'm sorry. Thank you. Just make sure. What the hold on. Just make sure ka mara le the mara le represent here. So I know my own event. But I thank God in ebe a I say ka ebe very well. Thank you very good. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Really appreciated. God bless you. God bless you, sir. God bless you. All our efforts will never go in vain. Thank you, sir. Well appreciated.